Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to delete status in ClickUp. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. Let's see how to do this. In order to delete status in ClickUp, first thing you will have to do is to select the space where you want to edit your statuses. So click on space settings right here, then go over to space settings right here, and then to task statuses. Now, as you can see, you can edit your statuses right here, and you can also delete them just by clicking these three dots next to the status and then click on delete status. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.